Welcome back to my another new video. This is Pavitra once again before you. As a learner, I should do it. I should make a spoken video. I make a mistake, but I can learn many things from mistake. When I make mistake, I can try my best level to overcome my mistake. So I am not worried, but once a time I was worried about my mistake. But right now I am not worried about my mistake because I learn lots of things from here. And sometime when I start my journey, it was not easy to me. I have no partner to speak in English. Sometimes I feel disappointed when I cannot speak properly. Right now I cannot speak properly, but I am better than previous. I can speak little bit and I can explain many things in English. But when I start my journey, uh, that time I could not do it. uh, I think that if I practice seriously, I will be uh, uh, I can improve more. But for my laziness, for my lack of practice, I cannot improve in lot. But when I can catch my problem, I can find my problem. After that, I am trying my best level, and I cannot waste my time. Time is very valuable. If it has gone once a time, it's never come back my life. That's why I am so much serious to improve my spoken English fluency, and I know if I know good English, maybe a good opportunity open to me. Mm, I wanted to I wanted to job in multinational company, but if I cannot uh, explain my opinion in English is not possible. That's why I am so much serious, and I need to improve in lot, and as much as possible, as much as possible. That's why I am so much serious to improve my spoken English fluency. Thank you for watch my video. Please pray for me. I can able to improve my spoken English fluency, and uh, I am practicing regularly. Thank you.